In this video, we will present the ability to create curved stitch directions and curved divides. Curved directions can only be applied on objects that are filled with step stitch type. For example, for shapes like the ones in this design, a straight direction line may not be suitable. It's likely that you'll want the stitches to follow the shape. Therefore, you can reshape the direction line and create a curved direction. Start the Stitch Flow tool and click on the step object. Click and drag to define a direction line on the step object. Click and drag from any point of the direction line and you will see that it starts to bend, becoming like a curve. You can also create wave-like curves for wavy stitches by dragging the line to opposite directions. The object is now ready and filled with curved direction stitches. For better results, avoid creating big curves in one direction, as smaller curves produce better quality results. Likewise, you can apply curved divides. These can be applied, though, only on objects that are filled with satin or piping stitch types. Select the satin object and click on the Stitch Flow tool. Draw a divide on the satin object by clicking and dragging a line on it. Click and drag from a point of the line, and you will see that the divide starts to bend, becoming like a curve. You can also create wave-like divides for wavy stitch penetration points by dragging the line to opposite directions.